Tired of uneven brush strokes ruining your DIY projects? The right paint sprayer can completely change the game. In this video, we're breaking down the 10 best paint sprayers for DIY, covering power, container size, nozzle options, and value, so you can find the perfect one without the guesswork. Let's get into it. Number 1. HomeRite Super Finish Max HVLP Paint Sprayer. The HomeRite Super Finish Max is one of the most trusted names in DIY painting, and it earns that reputation. Running on 450 watts, it handles latex, stains, sealers, and polyurethane with minimal thinning, a huge time saver. Its 39 Oz container and 3 brass spray tips give you plenty of flexibility for cabinets, fences, decks, and walls. You get horizontal, vertical, and round spray patterns, so dialing in the right finish is straightforward. It's not the flashiest option, but it's rock solid for weekend warriors. If you want a proven DIY workhorse, this is the one to start with. Next up, the Tillswall Paint Sprayer packs a serious punch with its 800-watt motor, the most powerful entry in the mid-range category. It comes with 4 brass nozzles in sizes 1mm, 1.5mm, 2mm, and 3mm, giving you real control over detail work and larger surfaces alike. The 1300 ml container means fewer refill stops mid-project. What really sets it apart is its ultra-lightweight body design. You won't feel it as much after a few hours of spraying furniture or fencing. The included 2.5-meter hose adds reach for awkward angles. A fantastic pick if power and comfort both matter to you. Coming in at number 3, the Vonforn VF803 is a well-rounded 700-watt HVLP sprayer that's especially popular for furniture and cabinet work. It includes 4 nozzles and 3 spray patterns, giving you the range you need for both detail and coverage. The 1200 ml tank is a comfortable size for medium to large jobs. What makes this one stand out is the complete cleaning kit included in the box: brushes, cleaning needles, and all the accessories you actually need. Most budget sprayers skip this entirely. If you hate messy cleanup and want everything in one package, the Vonforn is a solid buy. Number 4. Batavia Paint Sprayer. The Batavia Paint Sprayer brings a smart ergonomic twist to the standard HVLP formula. At 700 watt with a 1200 ml container and 4 nozzles, the core specs are solid for indoor and outdoor projects. But the real story here is the split body design that separates the motor weight from the spray gun. Your hand and wrist will thank you after a long session. You also get adjustable flow control and 3 spray patterns, so fine-tuning your output is easy. This is a great option for anyone who's dealt with hand fatigue from heavier sprayers. Great for extended DIY sessions where comfort is just as important as performance. Halfway through our list, meet the InnoCraft D1, a 700-watt HVLP sprayer specifically built with beginners in mind. It handles latex, stains, and sealers well, and the beginner-focused setup system means you spend less time reading the manual and more time actually painting. Multiple nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns cover everything from fine detail to broad coverage. The 1200 ml container is a nice size, not too small, not awkwardly large. Setup is genuinely intuitive, which is rare at this price point. If you're brand new to paint sprayers and don't want to feel overwhelmed, the InnoCraft D1 is your best starting point. Number 6. Tosux Paint Sprayer. On a tight budget? The Tosux Paint Sprayer has you covered. This 500-watt HVLP sprayer handles small to medium DIY tasks without breaking the bank. You get multiple nozzles, 3 spray patterns, and adjustable flow control. All the essentials are there, just in a leaner, more affordable package. The 1000 ml container is compact, but workable for most weekend projects. Don't expect it to power through thick coatings the way a 1000 watt unit would, but for trim work, furniture touch-ups, or accent walls, it gets the job done. A solid budget pick for casual DIYers who don't need heavy-duty performance. Number 7. Pulendi Paint Sprayer. Now we're stepping into the high-power tier. The Pulendi Paint Sprayer runs a full 1000 watt motor, giving it the muscle to handle even thicker coatings without clogging. The 1400 ml tank and 6 included nozzles make it a versatile option for furniture, cabinets, and fencing. Adjustable flow control and 3 spray patterns round out the feature set nicely. That high-power motor means faster coverage and smoother results on demanding surfaces. If you've got a big project coming up, like repainting your entire fence or a set of kitchen cabinets, this sprayer won't let you down. A strong pick when raw power is the priority. Number 8. Vavcura Paint Sprayer. The Vavcura Paint Sprayer brings something the others don't. An impressively wide nozzle range from 0.5 mm to 2.5 mm across its 6 included nozzles. That kind of range means you can go from ultra-fine detail work to broad coverage without switching tools. At 1000 watt with a 1400 ml container, the core specs are right where you want them for serious DIY work. Whether you're painting furniture with intricate detail or rolling across a large fence panel, the Vavcura adapts smoothly. 3 spray patterns and solid build quality seal the deal. Perfect for DIYers who tackle a wide variety of projects and want one sprayer that handles all of them. Number 9. Wybental Paint Sprayer. The Wybental Paint Sprayer is another 1000 watt option that earns attention for its standout variable paint output control, giving you very precise flow adjustment for different surfaces and coatings. The 1400 ml container and 6 nozzles handle everything from household trim to full wall coverage. 3 spray patterns cover the usual horizontal, vertical, and circular options. That fine-tuned flow control is especially helpful when switching between thin stains and thicker latex. You're not just guessing. It's a well-built, no-fuss sprayer for home improvement regulars. Great if you value precision and consistency above all else. Closing out our list, the Corky Paint Sprayer is a 1000 watt HVLP unit with one practical edge over the competition: its extra-large 1400 mfl paint cup with a design that makes refilling less of a hassle. 6 nozzles, 3 spray patterns, and adjustable flow control cover all the bases for furniture, fences, and wall projects. The overall build feels solid, and the performance matches what you'd expect at this power level. It's not trying to reinvent the wheel, it just executes the fundamentals really well. If you want a reliable high-power sprayer that's easy to live with day to day, the Corky is a worthy closer. So there you have it, the 10 best paint sprayers for DIY right now. If I had to call out 2 favorites, the HomeRite Super Finish Max for trusted all-around performance, and the InnoCraft D1 for anyone just getting started. Check the links in the description for the best deals. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Which sprayer caught your eye? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear. See you in the next one.